Okay, today is October the 14th. This is the installation job for Russell Armstrong in Chesterfield. We are doing a complete two-stage system, two-stage 95% variable speed furnace, and a two-stage 17-seer 3-ton air conditioner. First off, we're keeping the air filter system the same. We are installing a new Aprilaire 600 humidifier that's going to be controlled from the thermostat. It's getting one of the fancy American Standard thermostats, so that'll be wired up through the to the thermostat, and then the flue piping on the furnace is going to be capped off, and only the metal flue piping will be for the water heater, and that is a 4-inch connection that's going to have to be capped, so bring a 4-inch metal cap for right there. The flue piping is going to come up about 5 foot up to the ceiling, and then ran as close to the ceiling as possible, keeping slope, and it's going down. It's about 27 foot from the furnace up along the ceiling, and it's going out right over there. Okay, so it's 27 foot from point to point going out. So we're going to add in another, we're probably going to have to 45 it somewhere right in here because it steps over. So probably add another 5 foot per run for that, another 5 foot for the furnace going up to the ceiling, and then another couple foot for stubbing outside. So altogether we're going to need probably about 80 foot of flue pipe, 3-inch. Actually, we might be able to get by with 2-inch flue pipe. I'm going to check the specs on that furnace, being it's that new SV furnace. We might actually be able to do 2-inch, which would help. Okay, so back over to here. This line set is not accessible. It's going over a drywalled ceiling over there, so we are flushing it. The line set is sized properly, so no issue. Just flush it out. And the humidifier is going to be mounted. Put it up high so it's out of the way of his walkway here. So mount it high up on the return duct, at least at the 6 foot mark, and then we're gonna route it back around for the bypass, and then just tie it into the return trunk. I'm sorry, the supply trunk right about in there somewhere. And that should be it for inside. And then the breaker for the air conditioner is, let's see, that's coming off of this one here. There's 2 panels in the basement for some reason. Okay, so his air conditioner is breaker number 4 and 6, which is on a 50 amp breaker. That's going to be probably overkill for a 3-ton. So actually we're probably going to want to bring a 30 amp hold on, I'll call you back. 30 amp breaker, double pole, square D, as you can see right here. Okay, because 50 amp is going to exceed the maximum breaker size almost definitely on a 3-ton. Okay, so there's that. And then I'll go outside real quick here. Show you the air conditioner. There is a walkout basement, obviously, and you can get around to the front yard right over there, up that hill. Okay, so you can dolly around the new unit and dolly out the old one right up there. All right. So, a couple notes on the air conditioner we're doing. We're moving it. It's being moved from there right to there. So all you need, obviously, is about bring a 15-foot line set, 3/4 by 3/8. That's not even 10 foot from there to there. So just bring a 15-foot line set to make up the difference, And then the pad obviously is going to be a new pad mounted right here in this corner right here. As you can see, this is actually like a it's not a condo, it's a split house here. So so right here in the corner, as close over as you can, still allowing for access to clean it, obviously. And then you're going to need a new whip, so bring enough whip material to run it over as well, about 10 foot. Okay, so and then we'll have to tie on to the low voltage also. So the disconnect is actually in pretty good shape. So there's really, you know, if you want the contacts on the copper contacts actually look brand spanking new. So I mean, there's no really need to replace it. But anyway, unless you just want to. So what else? And that should be it. So move it over, make sure it's over there, and that'll be it. All right.